Hello, my loves. Welcome back, and welcome to those who are coming here for the first time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also set on the notification bell. So, as the title goes, yeah, I came up with a new method of shaving my armpits, and it is a very good method because as I used to do before, most of you I know do this method. You just apply a soap on your armpits and then you go in with your razor or a big razor, which always leave some lumps or pimples on my armpits, and then the blackness comes then. So I came up with this method. First of all, I'm going to wet my armpits where the is. Then I take the soap, any soap that you use to shower with. I'm going to take that soap, then I wash out with water. Just cold water or warm lukewarm water is okay. Don't use hot water. So the next thing I'm going to do to use this scrub, the apricot scrub Eden. You can use any scrub of your choice just to exfoliate. I'm going to grab this exfoliating glove, then I go ahead and scrub my armpits. Just take a generous amount that will Then after that you rinse and you wipe with your towel. Here is the third product that I'm going to use here. This is aloe vera gel. I'm going to put a small amount, just enough on my palm. Then I go ahead and apply on the area. This gel is going to act as my shaving cream. Using this gel is good because it doesn't irritate, it's soft, and also it softens well the hair so that when you shave there will be no irritation after you're done. So I'm just shaving with my razor. So when you're shaving, make sure you shave when you move your blade going downwards. Don't move it upwards, because when you do it upwards you are going the opposite direction of your hair, and that's not good. It will give you some irritation, or the pimples will come after you're done sometimes. Yeah, after rinsing my the area well, now I'm going again with this aloe vera gel to help me soothe the area after shaving, to avoid the irritations. So I just apply some small amount on the area, and yeah, that's what I do recently. I know my armpit is a little darker, and I'm coming out with the product that I can use to make it bright. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so that next time you don't miss on my video. I will be uploading the remedies or a product that I will be using to lighten my armpit. So yeah, that is it guys for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. Bye, and see you next time.